Here goes laying the strips just as it starts to rain, of course. Unbelievable. Just a little at a time here with the peeling. Get these as close as possible. Get that lined up in there, right on that cut edge. And this black line, work it a little over time. Just kind of squish it over. There's a black joint on this tape for some reason. It's very sticky, so as long as the black to black is overlapped, it's sealed. And I'm going to hurry up. I'm sure you can hear the rain too. Just walk it down a little at a time, keeping the air bubbles out. And you get the idea. I'm going to put the tarp up.